how is knowing yourself have helped you shape that vision that you have?
Yeah. So I'd say it starts from a place of purpose. You know, in life, you know, there are things that, you know, seem unfortunate at times, but you actually realize with time that those are the things that actually bring us closer to our purpose in life. And for me, discovering, you know, the purpose, you know, to serve, you know, and the purpose to be a force of positive change in people's lives actually, you know, helped identify myself, yes, but further to that, it helped create, you know, who I actually want to be, right? And from that center of purpose, you know, everything is built. Yes. You know, I built, you know, this business as example from that very center, yes, right? In that it must be a force of positive change. Yes. Now, this is infused in our culture, this is infused in our people. So whatever I do, right, and whatever I touch has got that one.
How has the journey been like?
It is never an easy journey. You know, mine started at a very early age. You know, well, this business here started when I was 17 years old.
Yes.
Right. So you can imagine coming from, you know, a township, and you know, you're going to meetings in taxis. You don't have a suit. You don't have anything. Right. All you have is just a dream. Yes. Right. And so you're not well received in the beginning, you know, and there's challenges around also being a young person, you know, can you do it? You know, let's leave the, you know, aside the fact that, you know, the business is still new, you don't have a profile, you don't have funding, you know, so it's just a mountain of challenges, one challenge after the other.
Yes.
You know, but I think the most important thing in this journey that I discovered is that, you know, when you've got a goal and destination, right, keep your eyes set on that. Yes. Because once you lose focus on that, then you'll start noticing exactly how many mountains there are. Yes. And you'll start counting them every single day, right? But if your mind and goal is fixated, you know, you are fixated on that, right? It actually helps you to, you know, take one challenge at a time, you know, like take it by the strides as you go, you know, and the reality is, you know, then when I started, I had never gone to business school, you know. I mean, heck, I was not even in university, formal university, studying anything, you know, or had never worked, you know. So the reality is that was my MBA, you know. It is the challenges that I went through, you know, and that's how I learned finance. That's how I learned HR, you know, that's how I learned IT. That's how I learned operations. You know, it was through challenges. Yes. You know, and I've grown this business, you know, just, you know, through just taking it one stride at a time. Yeah.
What is the one challenge that you had to overcome to get your business to this level, you know, at this magnitude that it is today?
It was definitely a mindset shift. Okay. Right. When I started, the goal was a very simple one: make money. Right. That's it. But the thing is, when you've got a goal of making money, that's not actually a goal. Yes. Right?
I agree. 100%. Yes. I agree. 100%. You know? I know exactly what you say.
Yeah. Yes. The money has to follow something.
The vision, you know? The purpose.
That's right. Yes. And that was not identified. Yes. Right? So I'll tell you this, Ekow. So with that goal, I did make some money, yes, but I lost it as fast as I made it, yes, right? Because I made it without purpose, yes. And the things I did with it then showed that there's actually no purpose, right? So the mindset shift, you know, from moving from I just want to make money, you know, you know, a statement like that is saying, I just want to walk. But where are you going? Yes. You know what I mean?
No destination.
There's no destination in mind, right? And it is that mindset shift, I would say, was the biggest difference.
So how do you make money your servant? At what stage in your life did you realize the significance of financial literacy?
I learned about financial literacy when I had no more money. Because you're thinking of the stupid things that you did,
yes.
you know, and because you're young, you're thinking on all the unnecessary dates that you went to that were not necessary, you know, and the things you bought just to impress other people, yes. You know, and you know, just deciding, you know, when you're out, I'm gonna pay for everyone,
yes.
You know,
yes.
You realize when there's no more money,
yeah.
that actually that's not how it's done,
yes,
right? And it is at that rock bottom stage where you start rethinking things. Yes. What is a priority? You know, the way I think about money is that what money does, it gives you choice.
Yes.
You know, if you've got more rands and cents, it just means you've got more choice.
Yes.
Right? So if you want to buy a new phone, the fewer rands you have, the smaller your choice.
Yes.
The more rands you have, the bigger your choice.
Yes.
Right? And that's the effect of money.
Yes.
Right? It's the power of choice.
Yes.
But with power comes responsibility. Great power, you know, you need great responsibility.
Yes.
Now, where we get it wrong is that, you know, we will be given great power, but we don't grow in responsibility too.
Yes.
Which is what happened to me, right?
That's
and
powerful,
so my reflection time was exactly that, you know, in that there was a point where I was given great power, but I didn't have the responsibility that comes with it. Wow. Right? Mm-hmm. And that's why I was at rock bottom. So it meant that what I need to do is, before, you know, I'm given great power again, is develop great responsibility.
Yes.
While I'm at rock bottom.
Yes.
Right? So with the little I have, make better decisions with it. Was it not the rap?
No, he's gonna use it. I know what he was doing.
Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm all relaxing. You know, being my usual self.